Hello, beautiful. Are you struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone on sensitive areas like the breast and bikini line? You're not alone. So many of us experience this, and it can be super frustrating. Trust me, I've been there. That's why I'm so excited to share my top 5 easy and effective tips to help you get that bright, even skin tone you deserve. We're going to dive deep into some amazing skincare secrets that will have you feeling confident in your own skin. Remember, babes, self-love is the best love. And before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our skincare secrets. I'm posting new videos all the time, and I don't want you to miss a thing. First up, my loves, let's talk about exfoliation. It's the key to unlocking that radiant glow. Now, when it comes to delicate areas, we have to be super gentle. Harsh scrubs are a big no-no. Instead, opt for a gentle exfoliator with natural ingredients like sugar or oatmeal. Think of it like this: we're gently buffing away those dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, bright skin underneath. It's like hitting the reset button on your skin. For best results, try exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week. But remember, babes, don't overdo it. Over-scrubbing can irritate sensitive skin, and we definitely don't want that. Be kind to your skin, and it will thank you for it. Next, let's talk about incorporating some powerful skin brightening products into your skincare routine. These are like magic potions for those stubborn dark spots. Look for ingredients like vitamin C, licorice extract, or kojic acid. These ingredients are like little superheroes working overtime to lighten those dark spots and even out your skin tone. Trust me, consistency is key here. You won't see results overnight, but over time, you'll notice a visible difference. The best time to apply these brightening products is right after showering when your skin is clean and dry, ready to soak up all that goodness. Chapter 3. Moisturize and protect your skin. Okay, babes, let's talk hydration. Moisturizing is an absolute must, especially for sensitive areas. Look for a hydrating lotion with soothing ingredients like aloe vera or shea butter. These will keep your skin feeling soft, supple, and oh so nourished. And never ever forget sunscreen. Yes, even for these areas, especially if you're rocking a bikini or a backless outfit. The sun's rays can darken those areas even more, so it's essential to protect your skin. Remember, babes, healthy glowing skin starts with proper hydration and protection. Chapter 4. Try natural remedies. Now, for my ladies who love a good natural remedy, I've got some amazing DIY treatments for you. Lemon juice mixed with honey is a powerful duo for lightening dark spots. Just apply it to the area, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it off. You can also try yogurt or turmeric masks for gentle brightening. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which has natural exfoliating properties, while turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and skin brightening benefits. These natural remedies are super gentle and effective, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. Chapter 5. Avoid common mistakes. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that we want to avoid. First up, tight clothing. I know those skinny jeans look amazing, but they can cause friction, which can lead to darkening in those sensitive areas. Next, let's ditch those harsh hair removal techniques. Instead, opt for waxing or laser hair removal for a longer-term solution that's gentler on your skin. And last but not least, babes, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Remember, healthy glowing skin starts from within. And there you have it, my loves. 5 easy tips for brightening those sensitive areas and feeling confident in your own skin. With consistent care and patience, you'll see noticeable results in no time. Remember, loving your body is the first step to feeling beautiful. Embrace your natural beauty and never be afraid to let your inner light shine through. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're here to guide you on your skincare journey. See you in the next video.